Difference between weight and mass. Mass. The mass of the body is the quantity of matter contained in it. The mass of the body is constant and does not change from place to place. It is denoted by small m. Mass of the body is a measure of inertia of the body. Mass cannot be zero. Weight. The weight of the body is the force with which it is attracted towards the center of the earth. The weight of the body depends upon the mass of the body and acceleration due to gravity at that place. Weight is Newton. 1 kilogram weight is that gravitational force which acts on a body of mass 1 kilogram. Weight is not constant. The weight can be zero at the center of the earth.